Namaste. Welcome to all. Today we'll discuss about statements and negation of a statement. See, statement is one type of sentence. Sentence we know, a group of words which give some meaning. Like Rama is a good boy, Sita is a beautiful girl, two and two makes four, like that. Okay, the statements is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Okay, we'll give examples and non-examples. First example will take sun rises in the east. This is a universal fact. Okay, this is universal fact. It is a true statement actually. The truthness or falsity of a statement is called its truth value. And the truthness of the statement is denoted by T and the falsity of statement is denoted with F. So here truth value is T. One more statement will take all prime numbers are odd numbers. This is not what happens, if you won't take 2, it is okay, but 2 is the counter example for it. 2 is even number, then also it is prime number. Remaining primes are all odd, but they can't declare that all primes are odd because the counter example is 2. So this statement is, its truth value is F. Sum of the angles in a triangle is complete. Complete means 360 degrees, but we know sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So it is a false statement. Its truth value is F. Logarithm of unity to any non-zero base, that is 0. If you write in exponential form, it is 0 exponent, no? 0 exponent is always 1. Now we'll discuss, to get more clarity, we'll discuss non-examples also. He is benevolent. See here, benevolent means kind-hearted person, but we need further some more information to decide whether he is kind-hearted person or not. Have you taken your food? This is an interrogative sentence. How beautiful Mysore is? It is exclamatory sentence. See, sentence are assertive. Here sentence are assertive. That is questioning, commanding, request, exclamatory. They are not statements. You see. One more example we are taking. That is x plus 1 equal to 1. This is an open statement. See, here we are having one variable. See, we have to replace with some specific value in that variable x place. Okay, then it can become true or false. Here it is not a statement. See, this, if you replace it with any real number other than 0, it is false statement. See. Okay, if you replace with 0, then only you will get 1. No? Okay, identity property it is. Now we'll discuss about negation of statements. See, some statements will modify using the word not. No, then what happens? Suppose we'll take one statement. 4 is a prime number. It is not true. It is a composite number. It is having more than 2 factors. So its truth value is F. Now we'll write negations. This negation is denoted with this symbol. Negation of P is 4 is not a prime number. When the statement is truth value is false, its negation truth value will be true. See, negation of statement, it is denial of statement. Both are same. One more example we'll take. 1.5 is equals to 3.5. 3 by 2, sorry. Okay. See, it is both are same actually. Why? Because this is in mixed fraction and this is in improper fraction. So its truth value is true. Now when we take negation of P, what happens? The negation of P, there equal means here not equal to will come. 1.5 is not equal to 3 by 2. What is its truth value? Yes, it is false. Okay. Now we'll make a truth table. See. First P statement we'll take, then we'll take negation of P. If P is true, negation of P is false. If P is false, negation of P is true. Again, we'll take truth values. We'll write truth values for negation of negation P. Okay. See here, negation P false, no? Negation of negation P, it will become true. Similarly, if it is negation of P is true, then negation of negation P will be false. Here, see one thing. Here, if truth values of two statements is same, then they are said to be equivalent statement. Here, the truth values of P, statement P, and negation of negation P are equal. See, here true, yeah, true and false. There negation of negation P also true and false. Then what we can declare? Negation of negation P is P itself. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.